You think you're all nice and fast? You big time runner? You think you're gonna run away from this? The flight's gonna pass with the swift, and the strong shall not strengthen his force. And you're not gonna get strong with whatever strength you think you got. You and your bloods and your crips, you know, your little gangland crews, with your guns and your drugs are weak. Are weak in the eyes of the Lord. Come on now. Neither shall the mighty deliver himself. Neither shall the mighty deliver himself. It don't matter if you got a tank. You're not going to get out of this. Neither shall he stand that handleth the bow. Come on. And he that is swift of foot, right, shall not deliver himself. Nobody's going to deliver himself out of the madness that the Lord got coming down. Read it. Neither shall he that rideth the horse deliver himself. Come on. And he that is courageous among the mighty shall flee away naked in the day of the Lord. In the day of the Lord. The Most High said he's going to bring this thing down heavy. He did a lot for us in times past, man. He lifted us up. He lifted us up. He lifted us up. Big time. And now nobody want to hear what he got to say. He said, I'm pressed, man. I'm pressed under you. I'm pressed hard. I got to break out. I'm going to deal with you. And with that, we're going to bring this thing out next week. Shalom.